Welcome to Addicted to Real Estate TV. On today's episode, we're going to talk about how to raise private money to buy up places like Florida while the buying is good. Stick around. I'm going to give you some strategies that are going to make you rich.
To say you gotta know somebody, or know somebody to get somewhere these days. To say you know that's alright, yeah that's alright. Cause you know that's alright with me. Yeah, you know that's alright, yeah that's alright. Cause you know that's alright.
Hi, I'm Phil Falcone, your host of Addicted to Real Estate TV. Today's episode was sponsored by Executex Suites. Full-service office suites, large enough for one person. Prices start at $495 a month. They give you the furniture, the receptionist, the telephone numbers, the fax numbers, the conference rooms, the mailboxes, printer, copier, scanner, utilities, janitorial service, and free coffee. Check them out at their website below or the phone number below. So today we're going to talk about raising private money and how to use it to buy up real estate deals in depressed markets like Florida. That's what I'm doing. Okay, get in while the getting's good. Okay, so let's get started talking about it. All right, a lot of people send me emails all the time and call me every once in a while looking for some kind of advice or help on raising private money because they struggle with it. And I always tell them the same thing all the time. Let's first focus on the deal that you found. Private lenders are not stupid. Okay, they want to only invest their money in strong real estate deals, even if they don't own those real estate deals. Those deals are the collateral for the loan that they're going to give you. They want to make sure that those deals are strong. So you have to make a good case for why your deals are terrific deals. And you have to go out and really bust your hump to make the greatest real estate deals you can get. Now, if you find great deals, and then you take those great deals and look for private lenders, I think you'll find you won't have any trouble borrowing the money. Right? You won't, because your deal will sell itself. Just like a realtor sells a house that's a great deal and a great house, he doesn't have to work very hard to sell that house because the people who are buying it are not stupid and they're going to know what a good deal is and it's going to move. Okay, so that's the first thing you got to understand about it. Another thing is you got to buy in markets that are depressed. Right? That's what I'm doing today. I mean, I'm still buying up in the Philadelphia area. I'm buying in Bucks County, Montgomery County, various different counties. Sometimes in the city, although I'm really getting sick and tired of the crap that the city of Philadelphia is doing to landlords. And I don't think they deserve my efforts and my money anymore. But down in Florida, I feel as if I'm in a much more friendlier environment. I don't have to deal with landlord licenses, rental suitability licenses, business privilege taxes, lead-based paint laws, and all kinds of other ridiculous things that are going on down there. 10-year batteries that, forget it, man. I'm fed up with the city. All right, so when you're buying depressed markets like I'm doing, right, everybody knows it. I mean, it's not a secret, okay? Private investors, even if they're not real estate people, they know it. Just ask your average Joe. Say, hey, where do you think good real estate deals are today in this country? They're going to tell you Las Vegas and Florida. All right, everybody knows it. The top 10 worst hit markets in the United States, Google that sometime and see what the actual cities that come up are. And you'll see 3 of them are in Florida. One is Miami, one is Cape Coral, and one is Sarasota. And I happen to be buying in Sarasota. Now, do you think that's an accident? Of course not. I know what the hell I'm doing. I've been in this business since 1989. I've been doing this for 24 years as a full-time real estate investor. I wrote the book, Addicted to Real Estate, Why I Can't Stop and Why You Should Start. And you can check out this book at my website below, addictedtorealestate.com. Gives you some great information about how to get your real estate investing career kicking ass. Okay? When you're buying in depressed markets like I'm doing, the upside potential on these real estate deals is just crazy numbers. All right? But the deals are going to cash flow right now. And what I'm doing is I'm picking up all kinds of great deals down there, and then I have private lenders put up the money for my deals. So basically, I'm buying these deals with none of my own money. Now let's just imagine that over the next couple of years, I pick up $10 million worth of real estate down in Sarasota to add to my portfolio. I mean, I can tell you right now that I'm expecting at least 100% return on the properties that I'm buying down there now. So if I pick up $10 million down there over the next couple of years, I'm expecting a $10 million return. And the kind of money I'm going to be making is probably going to be better than that, but that's what I'm expecting right now. Now, when am I expecting that? We're not going to define that. Could be 5 years, could be 8 years, could be 12. Who cares? I'm in it for the long haul, okay? I'm a buy and hold investor, all right? Let's throw in a couple of other factors. How about the baby boomers? Baby boomer generation started in 1946 at the end of World War II. Everybody came home from World War II, and ba-boom, the babies were a-booming, all right? So if you were born in 1946, right now you're about 65 years old. Some of those people have retired already. Lots of them haven't, especially because of the recent downturn in the economy. So where are those people going to go, especially the ones on the East Coast, when they are ready to retire? Hello, they're going to go to Florida. The largest population increase of people in the history of the United States is about to hit retirement, and they're all coming to Florida. Now, what's that going to do to my real estate prices down there, people? Okay? I'm holding tons of property down there. People want to rent it. People want to buy it. All the buyers. It's going to make it a seller's market, and I'm going to be able to name my number. And I'm not going to sell these buildings, but I'm going to ride the properties right up to the creme de la creme, right to the top of the pie, and then I'm going to chop it up, okay? And when is that? Maybe it's 2025. Who cares when it is? As long as it's coming, and I know it's coming, and so do you, because this makes common sense to you. Let me tell you some other reasons why I'm buying down Florida. It's sexier. It's got sizzle. It's more attractive than just buying something. I buy a condo up in Bucks County. Who the hell cares? Nobody does, all right? But I buy a nice vacation rental down in Florida. That's right, I'm doing vacation rentals down there. Why? Because they have great cash flow. But when I buy something down there, it's attractive to people. Everybody wants to own a vacation home in Florida. Everybody wants to be able to go down there. My private lenders get used to the property. I give them like a week's free vacation if they put up the money on a particular deal that I'm doing. Guess who else gets to use it? Me. Okay, it's a vacation rental. So people are in there primarily in the winter and then various different times during the year. But there's always weeks open where I can go down there with my family. My wife and I have been going down there like crazy. We're having a great time down there. Okay? So let's talk a little bit about raising money. If you got a great deal, all right, you got it in the press market that everybody understands it. You got the baby boomer factor that's about to begin right now. It's sexy and it sizzles. Guess what? Are you going to have that much trouble finding a private lender? Hell no. Okay? You're not. The first thing I do is I call up my friends and family, people who know me, like me, trust me. I'll give them a call, let them know about the real estate deals that I have available and see if they want to invest in it. Why? I owe it to them. They're my friends and family. They're people I care about. These are strong deals. And I pay a 7% interest-only payment on some of these deals. In certain cases, I pay more. I also offer equity partnership on these deals, meaning that they can just be my partner on it if they want. They put up the money, I find the deal, I manage the deal, we're partners. Okay? And they still get paid. They just don't get paid mortgage payments. They get paid a piece of the cash flow. They get the upside. They get the equity at purchase, lots of other things. Right? I'm doing my family a disservice and my friends a disservice if I don't call them and tell them about the real estate deals I'm doing. Why? Because I'm freaking great at this. I know what the hell I'm doing. I want to share that with the people I care about. All right? And if you don't feel quite as confident about your skills yet, start buying books like Addicted to Real Estate. Start watching this TV show. Put your name and email address in on my website, addictedtorealestate.com. So you can watch these TV shows. Come out to the meetings that we're having. We have meetings all over the place. They're on meetup.com right now. And one of the things that we're doing on meetup.com is we're going around and we're talking about various different topics, including the things that we're doing today. Raising private money, buying up in Florida, okay? While the getting's good. We're getting the deals while the getting's good, all right? So make sure that you start coming out to these meetings. I know that on Monday night, the 25th of March, which is just a couple days from now, I'm going to be at the Franklin Mills Mall. There's a Grand China Buffet there right next to Dick's Sporting Goods, I think. It's not actually in the mall. It's like right across Franklin Mills Boulevard. Big place in the back. It's $20. Come out. I've got a full buffet dinner. Come out and hang out with us and let's talk some real estate. All right? The following week, I'm going to be up in Quakertown at Caitlin and Cody's Diner, and that's going to be like the first Monday in April. I'll be there. And then I got some other gigs coming. I'm not sure when they are, but those are the two I know that are coming up real quick. Come out and hang out with me. Sign up for this web TV show. Get your busy butt out there buying real estate. Start raising private money. Start talking to your friends about it. Start talking to your family about it. Find great deals. Buy them in depressed markets. Expect the baby boomers to come and boost it all up for you. And why are you going to do it? Because you're going to make money, because it's sexy, because it sizzles, and people are going to want to hear about it. I'm Phil Falcone from Addicted to Real Estate, and thanks for watching today's episode.